hot dog buns. Oh, I should let Reese. I was gonna leave the dogs out for quite a while, and then I remembered while we were in the car, they announced a bear sighting in our neighborhood. Oh, I'll take the eggs. Thank you, baby. Where is the milk? I actually can't find it. I know. Did I not bring it in? I did not. Thank you. I'll take the breads. Guess get too fat, baby.
Giant.
Yeah, okay, I have to cut this.
This is giant from Giant Tigers.
Yeah, okay, can you back up, please? Because I have sharp scissors. Thank you.
I was able to finish.
Yeah, I'm really hoping.
After build the table.
Yeah, I'm really hoping we'll actually be able to keep the coffee table in the living room. Well, there's not a lot of parts. Lots of vacuuming I need to do today. Okay, we don't need that box. Can you lift it? The box? Can you put it in the kitchen? Ooh, strong man. Thank you. Jeez.
It goes with the 61.
Does it?
Yes.
Whee. Okay.
I want your screwdriver.
I'm aware.
Also, Ditl. They can go on it.
Coffee table. No climbing on it. Okay, so I got a coffee table. And the little table is currently over here. I had to get rid of the playpen because the baby can climb out of it. So yeah, so now the kids' kitchen is there. However, I don't know how that lamp's gonna work out. But I don't know where else to put it. How many fucking hot dogs? 12. 12 hot dogs.
Let's go the mouse.
I think that's an amazing name for a mouse. O.T. Presto. You are quite the namer.
I'm feeling so good.
You sure are. Literally never get sick of this breakfast. Like, I never get sick of this breakfast.
I'm veggies.
Cooking some veggies. He seems pretty busy over there. Okay, I just have to take these pictures. Can you eat, please?
Yes. Do you have your
I do. Right now I'm trying to do some work.
Make money with your spring nails.
Yeah, these aren't the spring nails. These are just colors people can choose from. And then I will make nails for them.
You like rainbow.
I do like rainbow.
Little nails choose. You like all the colors of the rainbow.
I do.
Don't get mad at you, Franklin.
You're a very understanding friend, Bear. We'll put it to bed for the winter.
Is it sleepy?
So I'm hiding in the kitchen eating a drumstick. So no one knows I have it. We went to Winners. It has been pouring rain all afternoon, so I didn't whip the camera out at any point, but I'm going to show you what I got because it was a really good deal. So the kids are already playing with this, but I got them this mixer for the kitchen. $3 for $3. 2-pack of Reebok sports bras. For $20. So a little bit cheaper than the Reebok ones at Walmart. I got a new workout outfit because when the weather warms up, I do not have, I needed some more short outfits basically. Found these bottoms and then I couldn't not, because these were actually on my wish list for $15 and they're just the cropped leggings. So I'm really excited about these. Reek and I need to only have specific outfits. So I got a Puma bra. This one was $16.99. So basically for $30 I got a Puma bra and a pair of Gymshark leggings that were on my wish list in the Gymshark app.
What number is that?
8.
Guinea pigs. That one's sleeping.
That one's eating.
Yeah.
And that one's sleeping.
Yeah.
He's 8 hours.
Is that what measuring tapes measure?
Yes.
Oh, I never knew that.
He says, look at you have a baby.
Oh, you're all nice and clipped. You look so good. But get out of the garbage.
Where? Where's the clue? We did it! We finished the letter and the craft. But there's one more thing. When you write a letter, you want to make sure.
Okay, there's a huge gap between the Blue's Clues clip and the Blippi clip. I haven't slept in days. I had nothing to vlog because I've just been laying on the couch like a parent who hasn't slept in days. And that's how it is. I'm out of breath a little bit because I just did some mad running up the stairs. Because, you know, can't change a load of laundry without someone screaming. It is prime parental time this week, apparently. So, with that said, sayonara.